Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to Tradecraft Academy. This is Krishna Kumar here. Now let's look into the weekly analysis. That means in the weekly positional trade in the index, how we are going to take a trade in the positional trades with the index like Nifty, Bank Nifty, and Sensex, guys. Here you can see this week it is took the support of 22,250 and it is closed around 22,480 on the higher side, guys. You can see entire 3-4 weeks, this first week, second week, and third week, and fourth consecutively the market is on closing on a weekly positive basis, guys. Now the market is what I said, it is a buy on dips market, guys. Don't go for a short for the long time. It's a buy on dips. What will be the how we are going to take a trade for the next week with the position in the index, guys? Unless the market is above 22,000, guys, there's a support here, the 22,000, guys. Unless the market is above 22,000, you can see the target of first, according to price action techniques, you can see the target of 22,750, guys. Remember, guys, 22,000 is the support over here. Like for the entire week, you can see 22,000 to 22,500 to 22,750 will be the first target, and second target will be 23,000, guys. On the higher side, you get it on the Nifty 50, guys. What happens if the market goes below 22,000 in a week? Once the market broke below 22,000, you can, according to price action techniques, you can see the first target of 21,500 will be the first target, and second target will be around 21,000, guys. The major support we got in a 21,000 support over here, guys, for the weekly index for the positional trade in the option or the future for the weekly analysis, guys. This is how we're going to take a trade in the weekly analysis, guys. Now let's look into the Bank Nifty, how it has been played in the last week and how we're going to take a trade the entire week, guys. Here you can see the Bank Nifty, like it took the support of 47,200, guys. It took the support of 40,200 for the in the weekly candle. On the higher side, it took the 48,200. It is close around 47,800 on today's basis for the entire week. Now, what happened the next week? How we're going to take a trade in the next week, guys? Unless the market breaks above 48,000. Once the market breaks above the 48,000 here, according to price action techniques, you can see there's a here's a life high, guys. The life high is around 48,640 is a life high here. Is a life high, guys. Once we can get the target of 48,600 change over here, according to price, if the market breaks above that new high, you can see the next target of 48,800 first target, and second target 49,200 will be the second target on the higher side, guys. What about the market come down? Here you get 47,200, we get the support over here. Once the support breaks, according to price action techniques, you can go for a short or a put option for the positional, like 46,800 will be the first target, 46,400 will be the second target, and 46,000 will be the third target for the entire week for the positional trade, guys. Now let's look into the Sensex. How we are going to take a trade with the Sensex with the positional trade with the future or option, guys. You can see a Sensex, we follow the Nifty with the Sensex. You can see entire 4 weeks consecutively it has been a positive, guys. Here you can see it took the support of 73,000, guys. Here there is a support of 73,000, guys. It's a round figure. Be cautious, guys. I said like round figures is a psychological fear. Most of the option traders will be there. Again for the next week, 73,000 is the first support. Like once it took the support, it went up for the target of, according to price action techniques, you can see the target of 75,000 first target, and second target 76,000 will be the second target on the higher side, guys. Again you can see the life high in the Sensex, guys. Whatever market breaks below 73,000, guys, according to the price action techniques, once the market breaks 73,000, you can get the first target of 72,000 and second target of 71,000 will be the second target on the downsides, guys. This is how we're going to take a trade with the support and resistance in the positional weekly analysis, guys. Now let's take into the Fin Nifty. How we're going to take a trade in the Fin Nifty with the weekly positional, guys. You can see here Sensex, is a Fin Nifty. It moves according to the Bank Nifty. You can see same entire 4 weeks it has been a positive week. It has been this week also in the positive to the support of 20,800 over here, and it will close out 20,990 it has been closed here, guys. What about if the market goes higher? If the according to price action techniques, once the 21,000 breaks, according to price action techniques, you get the first target of 21,100 will be the second first target. Upon that, if the market breaks, there's a resistant here. You can see it has been sideways for the entire week. They took the support. Once the resistance broke here, so 21,100, again you can see the target of 21,500 to 21,600 will be the higher side target for a week, guys. What about market breaks below this 20,800? Once the market breaks below 20,800, according to price action techniques, you can see the target of 20,500 first target, and second target you can see the 20,000 will be the major target, guys. Is the first target, and the second target you can see the downside either the 20,800 brokes. Oh, guys, be cautious, guys, in the positional trade. Keep on booking the profits yeah, according to the price action techniques. Just now we learned about the weekly analysis for the positional trades. Now let's look into the intraday analysis for the support and resistance on Monday, how we are going to take a trade for the intraday levels, guys. This is Nifty 50, guys. Here you can see market has been closed for 22,483. Like unless there's a small resistance over here, guys, that is 22,500. Unless this 22,500 breaks, according to the price action, if it's 22,520 breaks, like once the 22,500 broke above 22,500 breaks on a Monday, if the gap up happens, according to the price action techniques, you can go for an call option or the future buy for the first target of 22,600 and second target of 22,700 will be the second target on the higher side in the Nifty 50 on Monday, guys. Whatever market comes down here, there's a support like 22,450. We got a support, guys. Unless the market breaks below 22,450, you can't go for a short or put option. Once the 22,450 breaks, you can go for a call option or put option for the first target of 22,400 and second target of 22,300 will be the second target on the downside, guys. Remember, guys, unless the levels break down, you can't enter into the trade, guys. If the market is between 22,450 and 22,525, it is in a range bound. A range has to be broken. This is a box kind of a thing. The range has to be broken. Either upside, if it's broken 22,520, you can go for a call option or a future buy for the target of 22,600 or 22,700. Unless the market is broke below 22,450, you can't go for a short or a buy a short or a put option, guys. Once the 22,450 broke, then you can get the target of 22,400 and 22,300 on the downside, guys. This is how we're going to take a trade in the Nifty 50 on Monday, guys. Now let's look into the Bank Nifty, how we're going to take a trade in the Bank Nifty on Monday's market, guys. Here you can see market, it has been like closed down on 47,488. It has been closed down, guys. The market go for a gap up on Monday unless it is broken 47,900, guys. Once the 47,900 breaks this swing levels, this is a swing level, it is broke again, then you can go for the target of 48,000 first target, and second target is 48,200 and third target is 48,400 till 48,500. You can see then a higher side on the on Monday. The market breaks above 47,900, guys. The market, what happens, market gaps down, guys. You can see this is a swing level, guys. This is a swing level. If the swing level breaks, that is like gap goes around 47,700. If the breaks around 47,700 below, according to price action techniques, you can short or go for a put option for the first target of 47,500 is an round figure. You can see it has been rejected from here and it has went. You keep booking the profit at the psychological for round figure. Once the 47,500 breaks, again you can go for a short for the target of 47,300 will be the downside target on the index on the Bank Nifty index on the Monday's basis, guys. Remember, guys, unless the market breaks above 47,900, you can go the swing levels. You can't go for a call option or the future buy for the target of 48,200 or 48,500. Once the market breaks below 47,700, the first target will be getting 47,500 and second target will be getting 47,300 in the Bank Nifty in the index, guys. Now let's look into the Fin Nifty. How we're going to take a trade in the Fin Nifty, guys. You can see the same thing happen. What happened in the Bank Nifty, it is happening in the Fin Nifty. We can see, guys, this is it has prepared the box kind of a thing, guys. There's a resistance over here, and is what happened on Monday. The Monday market gap up happens unless the market gap up happens 21,040. If the once market broke above 21,040, according to price action techniques, you can go for a call option of the future for the target of 21,160 or 21,200 will be the second target on the higher side, guys. Now what happens if the market comes below? Once it is market broke below 20,960 is a box. You can see this unless it is broke 20,960, you can't go for like a short or a put option. Once the 20,960 breaks, then you can go according to price action techniques, you can go for a short or a put option for the target of 20,800 or till 20,680 will be the second target on the downside, guys. Just remember, guys, it is in the trading in the box itself. It is a box theory. Unless the box broke, that is above the box broke around 21,040, you can go for the target of 21,160 or 21,200. Below the box breaks, that is 20,960 breaks below, then you can go for the target of 20,800 or 20,680 will be the second target, guys. Now let's look into the Sensex. How we're going to take a trade on a Sensex on Monday, guys. Here you can see the Sensex, like it has been given a support. You can see it has given us taken a support here for 74,000, guys. What happened in the market tomorrow on Monday's market? And is the market, if the market gap up above 74,200, if it goes above 74,200, then you can go for an call option on the future buy for the target of 74,400 or 74,500, or the next target is 74,800 will be the third target on the higher side, guys. What are market books below 74,000? This psychological figure, guys, is a 74,000 round figure. It is to get support over here. You can say so many times it has been rejected. Again, it is rejected and went up. That support resistance become a support over here, guys. 74,000. Once the 74,000 breaks below, then only you can go for a shorter put option in the Sensex for the target of 73,700, 73,500 or 73,400 will be the downside, guys. Remember, guys, is in again it is in a box. It is stuck in the box sideways only. You can see there's a support here in 74,000 and there's a resistance of 74,300. Unless the market breaks above 73,000, 74,300, you can go for a call option for the target of what 74,500 or 74,800. Otherwise, if it breaks below 74,000, then you can go for a short for the target of 73,700 or 73,500 and 73,400, guys. This is how we are going to take a trade in the index, guys, with the support and resistance level, guys. And please subscribe our channel and forward this channel as much as people, so that people can learn about the support and resistance in the index and trade for the intraday levels, guys. Thank you.